Welcome to this video. Here I will be explaining to set up the Aweber account. This is for the autoresponder or email marketing. If you want to do an email marketing for your business or to have an automated system of sending emails and getting the subscribers on board and to create a funnel, this is one of the best softwares available in the market. I have checked so many other softwares, but Aweber is really one of the top and the best. The best thing about Aweber is it is very user friendly, very easy to use, and very easy to set up everything. You will have you can manage your subscribers very well. You can create a sign up form in very easy way, 1 2 3 steps, and that's it. Your sign up form will be ready, and it's very easy to have your list building and to create a list and to personalize and then to create the messages and have autoresponder in place and in play. It is quite a drag and drop kind of a software which is very easy to use. It's highly recommended. So here in this video we will be covering up how to set up the basic settings of Aweber, how to sign up for it and all, and how to import contacts or subscribers from another platform or from your own personal data, and how to create the sign up forms very easy way, and then how to set up the campaigns, which is really simple, drag and drop kind of a method, and you will really love it. In few minutes your whole campaign will be set up and running. And then how to create and set up your autoresponder. And then the Aweber has a really cool legacy series which really brings them apart from and all the other programs available in the market, and they have really done it great. It's very user friendly, as I said, and it's amazing. All of this we will be covering in this video, so stay tuned till end to know the each and every step-by-step method of getting benefit out of the best email marketing software, which is Aweber. First, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe it now. There is a link below in the description. Hit that link and you will be taken to the Aweber sign up form. You create an account there, which is very simple, and you just fill up all the form, and then you need to also input the credit card or debit card information. First month 30 days are completely free, and after that they will start charging you $19 per month, which is really a very good amount, a very economical amount for all the benefits which Aweber is providing. So let us start in detail. Once you have created your account, you will have access to all of the options available in Aweber. Now here, this is home, where this gives you an account overview. You will have all of the subscriber stats on the front page, all of the subscribers who has subscribed to your newsletter or to your sign up form or to your list in these days, like today and yesterday, and the total number of subscribers will appear here, and then the list details will also appear here. Now let us start with creating a sign up form. If you want to create a good sign up form, very easy on Aweber. This is how it is done. You go to sign up forms here, click, and then here it is create a sign up form. Sign up form or split test your sign up form. You start with sign up form. Okay, see, this is a template gallery, and it has so many templates which you can choose from. There are different categories for corporate and all. You can scroll and you can look for all of those pre-designed templates which are available here. In the popular category you will find so many, and you can scroll and choose. In the new category, you just see there are so many pre-designed templates available, and if you click here show more, you see all of these templates which are relevant to different industries like automotive, blog, celebration, consulting, and then home, recreation, real estate, promotional. So you can choose any of the templates which are directly relevant to your industry. And here we will try blog. Suppose if you will have a blog, and then all of these templates are available to be chosen as sign up forms for your blog. These are really nice and very colorful and all that. And what one of my favorite, which I most of the time use, is the simple form. Here, this simple form, you just click and load the template. There you go, we have this template available. Now it's very easy. You hover over your mouse onto a section, and then if you click, you can simply choose add the fields in it, and that's it, it's ready to be used. Now I will not be doing this because I like my form, sign up form, to be very simple and catchy, because the simpler it is, the more attractive it gets. As I said, in this simple form, it's quite easy to change the things. If you want to leave this space, if you want to have this information, then you leave this name information here. And if you want to add anything, you can also add it. But I would really recommend, and I like to keep it simple, so I will simply remove this name option from here, and all I need is someone who is signing up my form to give this his email. You try to get the minimum information from the subscriber, because it will make it a lot easier for them to subscribe. If you ask so much of the information, then nobody likes to give such a detailed information, and then you might end up losing the subscriber. So I like to keep it very simple. What you can do is you can add little description to it, like click here, you click here add text, and then a new window will appear on the left hand side, and all you can do is have your message typed in here. You can write anything, uh, get your free ebook for sign up, and then you can also choose the font size of it. Here it is the font size, and you can just choose whatever font size is okay, and see here, then you save the field. This is here, and then you drag it on the top. If you like, you can place it as per your liking, either on the top or on the lower bottom, in the middle, wherever you feel okay, it whatever feels good for you. So here I'll keep it on the top. I'll just leave it on the top here. Here it says get free ebook for sign up, and then we're asking for subscriber to put their email and to submit. You can also change, you just click here on this pencil icon, and you can change the text which is written on the button as per your requirement. You can just write here, uh, give me my free ebook now. That's it. So this is how it's done, and then save the field. Once you save the field, this is here the information which you've changed, it has come here, and the message which is on the top. Now you can also add a logo or an image as per the subscriber form or as per the topic. For to add a logo or to add an image, you can choose here add image. Now here you can choose an image, go to image gallery. This is the place where you have all the uploaded images available. Then if you want a new image to be uploaded, you click here, and then from your desktop you choose an image. Here, and then double click, and this image will get uploaded here. Save the field, In the same manner, you can also position your image wherever you want to position it, on the top or on the lower end. I would just like to keep it at the lower end, and that's it. Your sign up form is ready. Okay, now your sign up form is ready. You just save your form, click save, and after you save it, you go to step 2. Click here, step 2. In the step 2, you will have the settings. Here you just give the name to your form, whatever form name is there. We will just write here test form, since I'm doing this for demonstration purposes. And then the thank you page. In the thank you page, you leave it to the basic version, where once the subscriber signs up to the sign up form, he'll be taken to the second page, which is a thank you page, which normally is double opt-in. What you can do is you can also let that subscriber land into a custom page. Now in custom page, you have to fill another URL. So if you have your own URL, just for demonstration purposes, I'll put another URL here. So here I will be pasting another URL, and I click open in the new window. So if someone signs up for a form, then he, after inputting the information, he'll be directed to this website. I have put here website, or another link which you want to promote or you want the subscriber to go into, and then that's it pretty much. Here you save your form now, and you will see there is another step, which is go to step 3. You click and you go to step 3. In step 3, it will ask you who will publish this form to your website. You can also publish this form on the website. For that you can do it by yourself, or you, if you have a designer, web designer, send this link to your web designer and they will do it. The most easy is the third one, which says use my form as a landing page. So if you don't have a website, or you don't have a blog, or you don't have any page where you want to input this sign up form, the better is use it as a landing page. So you want to use this sign up form as a landing page, click here, and that's it. This is the link available. Now this link, you copy this link, and then you can put this link anywhere, market it at any place, and people will sign up on this form. This will become a landing page. It becomes very easy. Once this is done, then this is published. So your sign up form has been published. To see it here, you just click on the sign up forms, and you see I have so many sign up forms here, and this sign up form which we just created, it is appearing here, test form. That's it. It's quite easy to make a sign up form in the Aweber. It's not very complex like the other platforms. There are so many other platforms which are very complex. I don't like to like their names, but you can test and you can see how complex these other platforms are. But Aweber is, this is the best thing about Aweber, that they're very simple. They are very easy, 1 2 3 step, drag and drop, and that's it. Your sign up form, in fact your landing page, is ready to start promoting your traffic and getting the traffic too. In the other section, we will talk about the messages, and we'll talk about the autoresponder, and we'll talk about building up your own list.